I believe tomorrow we are going to have a
No notification yet.
You haven't received any notification?
No, ma'am.
Okay, but I'm just giving you a heads up. There is a possibility that tomorrow you will have a session in a larger audience and you may have a direct chance of interaction with another section students.
मतलब अभी सेक्शन चेंज नहीं होने वाले, मतलब शफलिंग वोंट बी देयर और क्या?
So somebody had asked me about the books. Was it from this section or section P?
PP.
Okay. So we have been given intimation to advise on 2-3 issues. Number one, you will be getting books after 1st of June. Number two, you will be getting books only if you have paid the installments or whatever. So basically, if you have paid the fees, then only you are eligible to get books, as simple as that. Just by mere registration, you do not qualify to get books. Number three, sections are going to get reshuffled. So don't get too bad.
Section 10 notification will get to mail or how?
You will soon get it. So typically what happens is last day of the induction. So you will get it either on Saturday or Sunday, just a day before the semester is about to kick in. You receive both. You receive your timetable. So in timetable you see which professor is teaching you which subject, and of course your section allotment.
So how many students would be there in one section? 100 or more?
No, 60 max 65. So depending on what is the batch strength, they put a number in 60 65 because that's the strength of the classroom accommodation.
And then we can continue with the same section only. We are hardly 50. And why need to change?
Yeah, but it doesn't work that way. Everyone is going to change. Just look at it as opportunity to make new friends and have more opportunities of good and bad memories. So, I haven't had any friend with whom I haven't fought. Like, so fights is something that is inevitable, which is the painful process. I have मेरे life में नए दोस्तों के लिए, और rather नए ड्रामे के लिए जगह नहीं है. I'm done with all that.
I'm एक जगह खाली हो तो मैं आ जाता हूँ.
Nah, I'm telling you, I'm done with the drama. I think after motherhood, I have said done on the law after us. Speaking of Friends, I believe yesterday HBO Max was supposed to put out Friends reunion.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's on Z5, ma'am.
Um, oh, it's out on Z5, the app.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, some reason to have subscription of Z5.
Oh, that's the reason people were asking.
My sister works for Z5. She told me about it.
Oh, nice. So thanks for the information for sure. I'm a die-hard Friends fan. Like Friends for me is
You're
like
welcome,
a bowl of warm soup. It just gives me comfort each time I watch it. I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you should watch. It is awesome.
I will. I will.
Have you
Yes,
watched The
ma'am.
Office, ma'am?
No, I tried. Like I started with. So all I can give max is 1 or 2 episodes, like the chance to impress me. Office did
You
not.
should.
Impress
Sorry,
me.
ma'am,
It gets
overall
really
it's
Was
better.
or someone else?
Someone else.
Yeah. So my husband also said the same thing. That please watch Office, like you will enjoy it. But like I couldn't. But yeah,
Ma'am,
maybe
you'll
I'll
have
give it a
to
try.
We
4
still
to
need
5
to see. We
See,
have to get the first
but
season
it,
really
it
amazing.
gets
The
really
Office.
And it's
interesting.
definitely
Where's the
better than
Office?
Very,
Is it on
Friends.
very.
Amazon?
See, ek minute. I
Yeah,
am
it is
not
on Amazon.
saying that Friends is an epitome of quality of content. No, much better content in terms of acting, in terms of comedy, in terms of direction, perhaps drama. Everything has got created, but it somehow has not resonated with me. Like that's it. That's it. There is something about Friends that deeply connects with me, which remains to be special. But Office, I'll give it a try because I remember recently watching Young Sheldon, and somebody said the same thing, that have patience to go through the season 1. Like season 1, you may not find it haha entertaining. Any which ways, Young Sheldon is not haha entertaining.
But
But
ma'am, for that you'll have to watch the Big Bang Theory. It's adopted from there.
and
That
who
is not
said that?
interesting.
That's,
But who said that I have not watched Big Bang Theory?
maybe you didn't say so it wasn't clear.
Ma'am, Scorpion is also a good series.
So I am a geek. I am a nerd at heart, and how can I not watch and enjoy Big Bang Theory? Like I used to binge watch Big Bang Theory when I was pregnant. My husband was worried that we will give birth to Sheldon. So anyway,
Inga.
moving on to today's topic. The outline for the session is what is index numbers, the application areas, different types of index numbers, different methods of calculation or construction of index number, and its limitations. Uh, Anybody who has heard of the concept index numbers, you don't need to remember, but I want to know the head count. How many at least remember hearing about the concept, if not remember the concept? Just Bhumika then? Okay. Chu?
Ma'am, I do hear it, but I'm unable to recall it right now. It was there in statistics, if I'm not wrong.
Okay. You had statistics in your graduation?
Yes, ma'am. I'm a commerce student, na, so from the starting I had
Okay.
statistics.
Okay. Okay. I don't know in which year statistics is taught in any field apart from science. So wouldn't know. Okay. So anybody who remembers what are index numbers among the 7-8 students who have raised their hands, or none? You can lower your hands. Good. So we can start on a clean slate. I don't have to worry of the backdrop. Sometimes not knowing is really good. So index numbers just helps us to compare two entities or values, two different values of the same variable. Okay. So when I talk of variable and when I say the word value, that means I'm talking about whether am I talking about numeric variable or non-numeric variable? Am I talking about quantitative data or qualitative data?
Quantitative data.
Yes. So when I say that it should have a value, I'm saying that index numbers is a game where I play it with numbers, and I'm trying to compare two numbers or two values of the same variable. Now, what is this variable? That this variable could be a price. This variable could be the quantity of uh, uh, demand. It could be quantity of crops produced. It could be quantity of rainfall. It could be anything. Okay. Any variable and its two values when I want to compare. Okay. That is what I do in index numbers. I try and find the change in the values of one variable or a group of related variables over a period of time. So I may compare what has happened in 2010 vis-a-vis 2021 across different geographic locations. So I could compare what's happening in US vis-a-vis what's happening in Japan or UK or China or India. Or any other characteristic of that variable. So I could be comparing different companies. I could be comparing different sectors. I could be comparing different departments of a single company. I could be comparing different societies. Hell you. How is index number calculated? So there is always an entity for which you want to calculate index number, and there is always something called as a base or a reference. Okay. Just for the sake of discussion and argument, assume that we are finding index number of prices. So our current year price is always denoted as P1. Okay. Say P1 is 11 crores. The price of the base year is always denoted as P0. So base is always denoted by the suffix 0. You could either put it as P0, X0, or whatever the variable you have decided to name. Say P0 is 8 crores. And what's the formula for our index number? P1 upon P0 into 100. Can somebody give me what is the index for this calculation?
$13.75.
11 by 8 into 100 is 13.75.
Recording in progress.
137.5.
137.5.
Yes. 137.5.
Hello.
I have to put you on hold, guys. Give me a minute.
Take 2 minutes. No problem.
मैम ने क्या बोला, कोई बताएगा? 3 चीजें क्या बता रही थी मैम?
मैंने बोला कि होल्ड पे डाल रहे।
अरे ये नहीं, क्लास शफल वाला।
वो तो मैं नहीं सुन पाया। पीपल
जिसने सुना था वही बता दो भाई।
कि अगर फीस पे की है तो ही तेरे को बुक्स मिलेंगे and you will get it after your induction classes end. You'll also get your schedule for classes and which professor is going to take your class. And third thing is that sections are going to be shuffled. That's it.
I'm back. What did I miss?
मैम आई वाज आस्किंग देम कि आपने वो 3 चीजें क्या बताई थी बिकॉज मेरा ईयरफोन कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ था.
Yeah, you're gonna make new friends and have more drama in your life.
Then we don't want more friends.
No, you don't have. That's the point. We are not giving you a choice. Okay. Moving on on the index number. So on the left hand side, in that left hand side column, you can see something called as index of industrial production or industrial production index, IIP. It is one of the economic indicator which says about what has been the industrial growth in any nation. Okay. On the left hand side, taking the first value as the base, I have calculated the indices. In one glance, tell me whether you are comfortable with the left series or the right series.
Right.
The right series.
Like hoping and assuming that there ain't any Sheldon sitting in my class. I'm guessing most of you will see कि अच्छा fine ये right वाला ठीक ठाक लग रहा है, left वाला मतलब थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही for one glance or naked eye analysis is difficult if I have to deal with voluminous data or numbers that take really large value that run into billions and trillions, like GDP of nations. Okay, in that case, it is very comfortable, very easily comprehensible to deal with index numbers. These are the characteristic features of any index number. It helps measure different economic activities because it helps crunch and make sense of data sets with larger values. For some reason, index numbers are never described as percentages. It also helps compare more than two variables at a given time. I want to go back to this slide. 137.5 indicates that there is a 37.5% increase in the prices compared to base year. What if the index number is 155?
55% increase.
Yes. What if the index number is 75?
25% reduction.
Yes. So I want you to make this note. If I is greater than 100, then there is a increase in the value of variable compared to base year. If I is less than 100, yes. Can you imagine any application areas where we will be using index numbers?
In GDP?
Okay.
Stock price.
Yes.
Gold price.
Sudipta, I couldn't hear you.
Gold price of different countries.
Yes.
Population.
Okay.
National income.
Yes, closer to GDP, but okay. So one of the major application areas are in the field of agriculture, where we try and see the price change and the volume change. So maybe in the year 2010, there was X amount of crop yield of say wheat, rice, paddy, whatever in different regions in India, and what is it today? Rainfall. Again, one of the crucial elements which has a major impact on cost of living of every individual. Commodity prices, different economic indicators. What are the different types of index? So two of them I have already spoken about. One is a price index. So there are two categories of price indexes. One is the wholesale price index, and another one is retail price index. Retail price index is also popularly known as consumer price index in India. Okay, where do we use consumer price index to measure what level of activity?
Inflation.
Yes, absolutely. The next one is quantity index. I just explained it. Sometimes I don't want to measure prices. I want to measure the quantum of production or demand. In that case, what we are doing is we are measuring quantities across different time or geographical zones. Another one is value index. So value index is sort of a multiplication of price and quantity, and thereby we arrive at a value index. Has anybody heard of the term burgeronomics?
Economics based on burger.
Well, we are definitely close to one element that yes, it's got something to do with burgers. Has anybody heard of the Big Mac index?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the Big Mac index?
It is used. They use Big Mac to illustrate purchasing power.
Samir is bang on correct. For those who don't know what is a Big Mac index or what is a Big Mac, so Big Mac is a popular one of the flagship burgers that McDonald's offered uh, across its outlet was Big Mac. Okay, and the ingredients by and large that go into a Big Mac are standardized globally. They have to do it. So when the leading economists in US, perhaps somewhere around 97, 98, they did this research for the first time that if I compare how much a Big Mac costs in US, how much a Big Mac costs in Japan, China, or UK or Australia, wherever in different nations, can I use it as a parameter to compare currency, its value, its purchase parity? And that entire research was published in the periodical The Economist. Okay. Of course, it is applicable only to the beef eating nations globally. So India does not come into the picture. Has anybody ever tasted Big Mac? I mean,
It's too costly.
that is not the answer to the question.
Yeah, in India, it is called Maharaja Mac. Big Mac. So I have tasted. Hello.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
I'm sorry. Yes. So I know Maharaja Mac. There is kitchen work going in my house. You will have to bear the noise and the disturbance. So tell me, Big Mac Index is an example of comparing prices across time, geographic locations, or any other characteristic. What is it? Which one is it? Are we comparing prices across time when it comes to Big Mac Index?
Yes.
Ma'am, all.
How are we comparing prices across time in Big Mac Index? No, we are not. So when the Big Mac Index gets published, it gets published in every time interval, but it gets published across different geographic locations. It's getting published across different nations. The second one is correct. So there are three methods of calculating or constructing an index number. Take all the three down. Simple index number, unweighted aggregate, weighted aggregate. So what you did, 11 crore upon 8 crore, is an example of simple index number, where you got 137.5 as the answer. When you have one value of a single variable that you are comparing across, when you have two values of a single variable being compared, that is an example of a simple index number. One numerator upon one denominator into 100. What does the word aggregate indicate?
Total.
Total. Yes, Yagnesh. That means we are going to add some values. So I was just musing many outlets, South Indian food joints in the Sayan Matunga belt, and ordering couple of my favorite South Indian snacks and the signature filter coffee that they serve. But I thought that okay, I used to pay some amount in 2010. I used to, and I did. I was lucky enough to venture into one of the outlets when there was Unlock 2 or Unlock 3. I don't know which Unlock was it in Mumbai. And this is how much I paid in about 2021. So I want you to calculate the unweighted aggregate index. What is the unweighted aggregate index formula? I'll have two totals. So I'll have total of 2010 and I'll have a total of 2021. 2021 total goes into the numerator. 2010 total goes into the denominator into 100. So it's not a single value in numerator and single value in denominator. It's total of three values in numerator and total of three values in the denominator. Can you quickly give me two column totals?
65 120.
65 बराबर है 120 upon 65 into 100.
84.61.
184.61. All of you on the same page?
Yes, ma'am.
Third method, Weighted aggregates. So I thought that let's think of a ordinary Indian household pantry product, something that will definitely be there in their pantry. There will be some form of rice, either rice or rice flour. There will be some form of served by those joints. I'm a chai person, so tea. The prices in 2010 and the prices in 2021 and the quantities consumed. This time, it's not just the total of two columns and then the total of those multiplications. So what do I need to do? I need to multiply 20 into 25. How much is that? 500.
500.
Then again
500. no?
and so on. Twelve, 6, 72,
720.
720. How much is 115 divided
690.
into 6? 690. And how much is the total?
Two four one zero.
Who was that? Let me say 2410, but seems about correct.
10.
Yes, 2410 it is. $400, right?
One two four eight. 1248. 1184. 4632.
Ma'am, you have written it the other way, ma'am.
No, it's correct.
No, correct.
No, it's correct. Because I have tried before I entered this class.
Ma'am, can you tell me again about unweighted graph calculation?
Can somebody screenshot this? Okay, I did it. Yes. So we don't multiply anything. We assume that the quantities are one. So I have ordered a single plate of idli, a single plate of dosa, and a single cup of coffee. So one, one, one. Same quantities are assumed. Whereas in weighted aggregates, quantities consumed are different.
Okay. Price here 210 should be plus 20 plus 30 plus 15 upon 40 plus 50 plus 30 into 100.
Yes.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashish, can I make you co-host? Are you on system or mobile phone?
On system, ma'am.
Okay. Assuming that will be easy for you to. No, Yogita is the host. Okay. Maybe she's AFK. There are three methods of calculating weighted aggregate index. Take down the names. The formulas will appear again on the next screen. Just take down the three names. Laspayer, Pash, Fisher. Now, what is the premise? What is the logic behind these three different school of thoughts? The logic is different only here. So there is Pi upon P0 constant in both Laspayer and Pash. The quantities that are used in the base and the current year are different. So according to Laspayer, we are supposed to take the base year quantities while calculating indices. According to Pash, we are supposed to take the current year quantities to calculate the indices. Now, those who like to solve questions in a mold, okay, like a dhancha, like a mental algorithm, tabular algorithm, remember to calculate indices, you have to write the column P, then you have to write the column Q. So prices or values into quantities. And then the third column of P into Q. और फिर वो third column की total निकालनी है हर बार. It really makes the calculation lot easier than doing it in one line. I don't know about you, but I always preferred it. So whenever I find something easier, I tend to share it with students. Anjanet is in this class? No, right?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Yeah, so for people like us, Anna,
Yeah, ma'am. Calculation errors will be less.
it's lot lesser than usual. Okay, so the prices of the current year 2021 are listed. Prices for the base year, which is P's 2010, are listed. So this is to be taken as P1. This is to be taken as P0. This is Q1. And this is Q0. which commodity, which I mean the price of the change of price in which commodity is going to have the major impact on index?
Price.
Between A, B, and C that you can see on the screen, a change in price in which commodity between A, B, and C do you think will have the maximum impact on the index?
A.
Why A?
Because 281 से 278 प्राइस ड्रॉप हो रहा है
Okay.
बहुत ज्यादा
Hmm.
कंपैरेटिवली बी और सी से,
Okay.
और क्वांटिटी भी आधा हो रहा है.
All right.
यस मैम.
Okay. I'm not going to solve till you give me the first answer, till somebody gives me the first answer quickly.
Our index number for lash players is 109.990.
Yes. So numerator is 281, 132, 23. Six, 5, 55. Multiply these through two series of numbers. How much do you get? I think I have the calculations. 1686 660 1265. And the total will be 3611. Similarly, 278, 125, 80. 6, 5, 50.
Ma'am, P1 should be multiplied with Q1, no?
In last pair, Q0.
What is the answer of lash?
I'm getting 106 or 105 point. Yeah.
0.08.
Let's change the ink. So again, 281, 132, 23, 12, 8, 44, 3372, 156, So
And one for Fisher Price Index is 107.93.
yeah, roughly 108. One 106 point how much?
0.084.
One 108 point something or 107.9?
107.9.
Ma'am, 108.01.
Yes, ma'am. 108.01. 02, sorry.
किसी की पूजा हो गई. Depending on what numbers here and there you have taken, both answers are fine. I think we should take a break, a quick break. Be back by 11:15, and then we will.
Okay.
We have a activity lined up. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm gonna put you into breakout rooms like last time. And you will choose a dish. Okay. So I'll state for example, and you have to pick your own dish and create an index for that dish. So suppose I choose batata vada. So you can't take that now. Okay. So what does batata vada have?
Batata.
So I have potatoes.
Besan.
Besan. Chickpea flour. I'll require
Spices.
spices. What else? Salt. Okay. Then I list down the prices in 2010 and the prices in 2021. This you will have to find from internet. There is one URL that I'll share that I have. वहाँ पे prices हैं across different years, लेकिन वो prices are in quintal. So you will have to scale them down to a kilo or whatever quantity you will be cooking. So I leave it to you how many, what is the serving size that you want to create. I leave it to you. Whether you want to create the index for a single vada, whether you want to create it for maybe a plate or a batch. Okay, so serving size, I leave it to you. You have to find the prices in 2010, find the prices in 2021. अगर कोई prizes नहीं मिलते तो घर पे मम्मियों को पूछो कि कुछ याद है क्या 10 साल पहले के prices क्या है, शायद उनको अच्छे से याद होगा. And decide whether you will be using unweighted aggregate index or weighted aggregate index. There is only one correct answer. Either it is unweighted or weighted. Which one will you use? Let me know. I'll be hovering into different rooms like usual. I don't want anybody using Laspeyer's, Fisher's, or Pash index, which means your quantities will remain the same. Why quantities will remain the same for both the years? Because once we create a recipe, by and large, the recipe doesn't change. So let Q be constant for 2010 and 2021. Let it not change.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to take only the example of recipes only.
Yeah. What else do you have in mind?
Option of anything.
No. So you can create a mocktail, you can create a drink, you can create a salad, you can create anything, but let it be an edible dish. Period.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Ma'am, where we have to submit it?
QuickForce.
Okay.
So I have created an assignment on QuickForce just about session 1. Cook an indexed dish. Just upload a file there. Any file will be accepted. So if you want to even do the calculations on notebook, click a photo and upload, you can do that also. So I leave it to you.
Ma'am, please
Also,
pardon, your voice is lagging.
I said any file can be uploaded. If you're uploading an Excel file, don't do manual calculations. Excel is more than capable of doing all the calculations that you need to. And you can upload a Word doc, PPT, photo, anything. Second point, under session 1 on QuickForce, you will find all the 3 PPTs used so far. So if anybody wants to download the PPTs, they can download it from there. Yogita, do you want to pause the recording? You cannot pause it because I have put them into breakout rooms. Okay, okay, okay. So, see.
सिर्फ अपन लोग ही हैं। और कोई नहीं आया बाहर यार।
we can upload the Word file as well on the Quick Force.
So the first and foremost objective of setting this assignment was to describe the first limitation of the concept itself, which is inadequate data. So when I'm going through the calculations, most of you have struggled to get or lay hands on data per se. So when it comes to indices, laying hands on historical data is a tough task. Second, I gave you the base period. So 2010, I gave you the base period. So the base period also changes considering what commodity we are looking at. So some group had taken example of pizza, and I was just having a discussion with them. Uh, so there was a phase and era where the so-called exotic ingredients used to be there used to be dearth of supply or producers for those ingredients, but that is not the case anymore. So actually the prices have not gone up for those ingredients as much as few other commodities in agricultural sector. So choice of base period the reference period is also a challenge. This was choice of weights. Okay, so the quantities that you were supposed to select for a particular recipe was actually the weights that should be assigned. So if just having the discussion with another team who was making tea or brewing tea, and they took 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams, 100 ml of milk, and I didn't even wait father would entertain that cup of tea either. Like तुम्हारे पप्पा ने भी ऐसे चाय नहीं पियोगी. So if I had served him 100 ml of milk and 100 grams of sugar in it, like no way Jose kinds. So if I create a recipe and each ingredient has to go in a particular quantity, then that quantity acts like a weight. Meaning if a particular ingredient has a quantity of 500 grams, that means that ingredient is crucial in that particular recipe. So any change of price in that ingredient will have the major impact on the index of that recipe. So if a particular ingredient is a major price change in that ingredient will not have an impact in your price index. As simple as that. I hope you learned something. I hope you had some fun at the same time. Do submit your analysis. Each one file will be accepted.
Is 2021, will it make any problem?
No, that's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That means you are just calculating for a year's index. All right. Chop chop, off you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Oh, my mic is working.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.